Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of a Mar-Bel LS-1 laminate slitter. I have had too many of these to even count. Quarter horsepower, single phase operation, 7-inch capacity. The fence on this one moves nice and freely. That's not always true. Your work table is 16 inches by 36 inches. Uses a series of dies to cut. Cuts at approximately 40 feet per minute. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.